I think you're going to ask the question, what is dyslexia? It is a specific learning difficulty, and it affects your reading, your writing, and sometimes your numeracy, and particularly your spelling. And that is the thing that most people pick up on and dislike about their writing.
People here are very friendly. I do get one-to-one teaching here, tutoring. I think it helped me a lot. So.
I'm a teacher, and I work with learning support within schools, and I realise the barriers that dyslexia presents to people. And I find the work here on Friday very rewarding. As Robert said, the group here is very, very friendly.
Yeah, it's quite a good course since I've started so far, and it's a 6 weeks course, and there's quite a lot you can learn out of it.
It always persists, even if you get good teaching. So it is not an easy thing to tackle, and it makes the person who feels they are dyslexic and perhaps doesn't know what it is, they feel that they are an idiot. But of course they're not. They're often very creative people. They're extremely good at coming to a problem from a different angle. And they are able sometimes even to see things in 3 dimensions. They can turn things around in their mind, which is the most unusual thing. They're very visual.
The way I remember it is, I imagine a big crusty piece of pie, and that's a pie.
Right, pie.
And then C-E, that's a piece of pie.
So piece.
Well, you
yeah.
can't have a piece man of pie, can you?
No,
it's a piece of pie,
yeah.
as opposed to like a piece man of pie. You can't spell it differently. So that's how I remember.
At the moment, we are trying to learn common words that we see all around us, and we're just trying to pick them up and learn the spellings and things about them.
It's very important for everyday life when you're out and about to read signposts and etc., maps and all that.
This is one thing I really want to emphasise, because a lot of people think it's only a disability, but it is also a gift. Also, I don't think many people realise that there are dyslexics in the past, like Leonardo da Vinci, who was such a great inventor and a painter and a sculptor, and then Albert Einstein. What a brilliant man. He was dyslexic.
And at that point, you will lift your palm, and then you will imagine pushing against a wall so that you've got plenty of extension there. We'll rest there for 10, then we'll lower the palm, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
The group is only about 6 weeks, but I've got quite a lot out of it so far, and I'm hoping to do more.
I feel good about working with these adult students, if you can call it that, and I really think that we are moving them forward, and I would recommend this course to anybody.
There are so many people that can be picked out with dyslexia. What we try to do in the classes that we have and the sessions is to open people's minds to what dyslexia is, and we try to give them a few basic skills which they've mostly missed out on with their education, and help them on the way to really appreciating where they could go in the future and to have confidence in themselves.